Bigyan natin ngayon ng reaction opinion itong interview ni Alvin Tourism kay Ma'am Elizabeth sa The Hague, Netherlands. Ano? Siya na ang nakabisita, nakauwi na si Congressman Pulong. Ito na si Ma'am Elizabeth ang, I think, araw-araw pwede niyang bisitahin. Ito, mayroong magandang balita na sinabi ni Ma'am Elizabeth tungkol kay PRRD. Ano? Diba? Sabi, payat. But sabi ni Ma'am Elizabeth, he's healthy. He's not taking medicines anymore. Wow! Ay, maganda. Kasi ako, araw-araw may maintenance ako eh. Ngayon, wala na daw. Hindi na nag-minom ng gamot. Kahit pumayat siya, kailang he's healthy. O yan, pakinggan natin si Ma'am Elizabeth ha.
How are you today, ma'am?
I'm fine. I'm happy that I have seen him. And he's okay, but he's so thin, skin and bones. Tulad sa picture na ito, he's really that, you know. And I asked him, what to eat the food? Sabi niya, ayaw na food.
Ayaw.
Ayaw na, and babalik-balik daw.
Hindi ba siya nilulutuan ng mga Pilipino food?
No. Whatever lang. Yeah, at least he said that he is no longer taking any meds.
Yun.
It's okay, yeah, no? It's okay. Parang tingin ko, he's healthy, but as an old man,
You never know.
yeah, tulad mahina na matakad, you know, yan lang.
But how is he with the weather, ma'am, lately? Kasi sobrang init ng weather lately.
Yeah, I told him, sabi ko, malamig. Sabi ko, sige, mainit naman. Malamig pa rin para sa akin. Kaya ako, sabi niya, kasi matanda ka na. So,
Pero mag-exercise naman si
hindi ko rin. Gusto na niya mag-sleep. Gusto na niya manood ng TV. Yan, after daw the TV, sleep na naman daw siya. Yun lang. Yun ang ganun.
At saka nagbabasa naman siya ng libro, ma'am.
Yeah. Nabasa din. Pero not so much. Gusto niya yung TV. She was asking about how is Davao, ganon. Okay ba daw si Basti sa kanyang kwan because he's the mas acting mayor. Diba? So, sabi ko, okay naman. There's no problem. Sabi ko, when your grandson is also the vice mayor, sabi ko, then the other one is the congressman, the second district. And he also asked me, did the hometown one? Sabi ko, yes. Most of them are from Hongkong. Sabi ko, ganun. Ayun, kasi,
Ma'am, meron bang message si PRRD para sa mga kababayan natin?
yes. He said, you go home. You go home. Thank you for your support. Ako rin, nagpapasalamat din sa inyo for your support. I am here also for my support. Sabi niya, mahal ang pasahe. Umuwi ka na. Sabi ko, we will be here for as long as we are needed here. Sabi ko ganun sa kanya. At, yeah, sabi niya, you go home and thank you for your support. Yun ang sabi niya. Tapos, yun lang. Sabi niya, I am okay. Sabi niya, to tell them I am okay.
Ma'am, pwede pa sabi kay PRRD na hanggang sa dulo nandito yung mga Pilipino.
Wow.
Kahit umulan, mag-snow, bumagyo,
Yes, I
hindi
know.
talaga kami aalis.
You are so amazing. Yan talaga masabi ko sa inyo. You are so amazing.
Thank you.
Yung mga rallies ninyo, sometimes I cry. I could see your support, the Filipino support all over talaga.
Actually, ma'am, tomorrow, July 5 and July 19, meron pong another events na prepared as a call to action, Filipinos in Solidarity para kay PRRD po.
Oh, thank you for that. Pero yun nga, sabi niya, huwag na daw. He is okay, huwag na daw. Sabi niya, you go home. Tell them to go home. So, nagtanong siya, meron maraming tao doon sa labas, sabi ko sa kanya. Just to encourage him. He is not alone.
Meron po question sa inyo, iba? Yes, ma'am.
Ano makakadagdag pressure po ba kami sa LPPRRD?
No.
Kami
is happy, but he doesn't want you to bother. Be bothered by that.
It is our honor na ginagawa namin to kasi nag-sacrifice siya before. It is our bit as a Filipino. And thank you talaga po.
Kasi po ma'am, personally wala po talaga akong pinapalitan na comments. In honor of my father, tas lalo pa si former President Singh. Para sa akin po ma'am, I respect my father.
Ayos.
Kasi respeto yun po eh. Dahil siya presidente, partner ko this time of
Yan. Nakakaiyak naman. Salamat sa mga kababayan nating Pilipino na nagpapakita ng suporta kay Tatay Digong. Nandyan sa Netherlands. Kagabi kausap ko lang yung mga kamag-anak ko. Galing na rin sila sa The Hague. Galing dito from Mindanao na. Nagbiyahe talaga papunta doon, The Hague, para ipakita ang suporta nila kay Tatay Digong. At awang-awa sila sa ating tatay. So ito, hindi na ito mapigilan yung pagpapakita ng pagmamahal ng mga nakakaraming Pilipino sa ating minamahal na Tatay Digong. So tuloy lang po natin ang pagdarasal para sa kanya dahil although good news ito, no? Dahil kahit payat, hindi na siya nagte-take in ng medicines. So iba ang style nila dyan sa Europe. Talagang nakakaano ng health conscious sila. Kaya to me, that's very good news. Yun na lang, yung pagkain. Ay, kahit ako siguro, pakainin nyo ako ng European style food. Hindi ko rin talagang hanapin mo talaga yung nakasanayan. Kaya gusto lang niya is munggos, bulad, saging, yung paborito niya yung bulkachong. Ang sarap kaya ng bulkachong, yung mga buko-buko ng kalabaw. Pinakuluan, ang sarap, bulkachong, the favorite ulam daw ni Tatay Digong.